Hi, I'm Denise Miller, your Leadership Lady Live, and we're going to give you a communication tip today about the quarter end check-in. Welcome back. Before we dive in, though, I want to invite you to something special, my fourth quarter challenge, which starts Monday, October 6th. And if you're serious about finishing this year strong and setting yourself up for 2026, you'll want to be a part of it. I'll share more details at the end of this video, so stick with me. Right now, though, we're in that crucial week that transitions us from quarter three to quarter four, and I want to share a communication habit that can set you up for success in the final quarter. Let's call it the quarter end check-in, a simple but powerful practice that will help you to complete quarter four planning. Take 15 minutes to have a brief conversation with each key person in your work orbit. Normally, we have about 10 key people. Ask them these questions. The first, what's one thing we communicated well this quarter? The second, what's one thing that got lost in translation? And the third thing, what's one communication adjustment that we should make for the upcoming quarter? Doing this works well because we assume that everyone's on the same page, but very often there are small misalignments that can be compounded into major issues as we go forward. So, when we ask these questions, we isolate those issues, we cut out the breakdowns that happen gradually, and we can move on. This quick reset catches those gaps before they become quarter four problems. The key to resolving those issues, it's this: don't defend, just listen. Your goal is to understand what others experienced, not to explain why things happened. If you try this with everyone in your work orbit, about 10 people, your boss, your direct reports, even cross-functional partners, 10 conversations, 15 minutes each. That's only 150 minutes. That's an investment of 2.5 hours that can save you many more hours of confusion in quarter four. So remember, communicators, excellent communicators, are curious. They're curious about how they're being heard, and they try to make sure that everyone understands what they were really trying to say. Now, let's go back to that fourth quarter challenge. It begins October 6th. It's designed to help you maximize the final 13 weeks of the year and get ready to run into 2026. And if you're wanting to dream bigger, you can join my 5-week Put Your Dream to the Test Mastermind, which will be starting on October 21st on Tuesday evening virtually. We'll get you ready to implement new dreams and possibilities in 2026. If you're a woman who's watching and you're in transition, I'd love to connect with you about R4, my fourth quarter cohort, which begins Saturday, October 11th. Visit my website at dlmstrategiesltd.com to learn more about these opportunities and to connect with me directly. Let's make quarter four your best quarter yet. See you next time. Have a great balance of the day.